English proverbs are short, well-known sayings that express general truths or pieces of advice. They have been passed down through generations and are often used to convey wisdom in a concise and memorable way. Incorporating proverbs into everyday conversation can help you communicate ideas more effectively and add color to your language. They can also make your speech sound more natural and relatable, especially when speaking with native English speakers. Understanding proverbs not only enriches your vocabulary, but also helps you grasp cultural nuances and common expressions. By using proverbs appropriately, you can enhance your conversations and connect more deeply with others. The proverb, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," is a popular saying that encourages healthy eating. In simple words, it means that if you eat nutritious foods like apples regularly, you are more likely to stay healthy and avoid getting sick. Apples are often used as a symbol for good health because they contain vitamins and fiber. The saying does not mean that eating apples will prevent all illnesses, but it reminds us that making healthy choices can help us feel better and reduce the need to visit the doctor. Overall, it's a way to highlight the importance of taking care of our bodies through a balanced diet. I like to eat fruit every day. That is good. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This means eating healthy is important. For example, my children always eat an apple after school. That's a good habit. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, meaning small, good actions help you stay healthy. Also, I am never ill. I think it is because I eat well and walk a lot. Yes, you are right. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, which means taking care of yourself prevents illness. The proverb, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," is often used in everyday situations to encourage healthy habits. For example, parents might say it to children who are reluctant to eat fruit, highlighting the benefits of good nutrition. Colleagues may use the phrase when discussing ways to stay healthy during flu season. It can also come up in casual conversations about diet and lifestyle, reminding friends to make simple choices that support their well-being. Whether at the grocery store, during a family meal, or while planning a lunch menu, this saying serves as a gentle nudge towards prioritizing health. Ultimately, it reflects the idea that small, consistent actions can contribute to long-term wellness. The proverb, "Too many cooks spoil the broth," is a simple saying that teaches an important lesson. It means that when too many people try to work on the same task, things can go wrong. Instead of helping, having too many helpers can make the job confusing and messy. Just like a soup can taste bad if too many cooks add their own ingredients, a project can fail if too many people give different ideas at once. This proverb reminds us that sometimes fewer people working together is better for getting good results. Imagine a group of people trying to paint a single wall together. At first, it seems like more hands will get the job done faster. However, as everyone starts working, brushes collide, paint colors mix unintentionally, and some sections are painted over multiple times, while others are missed entirely. The result is a messy wall and frustrated painters. This simple scenario illustrates how having too many people working on the same task can lead to confusion, inefficiency, and mistakes. Sometimes, a smaller, coordinated team can achieve better results. Okay, let's look at the words in the proverb. Too many cooks spoil the broth. I need to think about each word simply. First word, too. What is too? It means too much, more than I need. Then there is many. That's easy. It means a lot of something. Next are the cooks. A cook is a person who prepares food, like in a kitchen. After that, spoil. When something is spoiled, it is ruined or bad. Finally, the broth. Broth is just a simple soup, a liquid food. So when I put it together, when too many people, cooks, try to make the soup, the broth, they will ruin it, spoil it, because they all try to change it. This means many people on one task is bad. These two sayings are very helpful. First, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," means that doing small, good things for your health every day will help you stay healthy and strong. This is a good lesson for us. Second, too many cooks spoil the broth means that when too many people try to manage one simple task, the result is often bad or confusing. It is better to have fewer people for some jobs. We can use these proverbs when we talk. They help us share good ideas simply. Using proverbs can make our talks better and help us learn new things every day. It is nice to use them